Hey there, guys, welcome back to Mindful Eats. So, Christmas is all about preparing yummy and delicious foods, and that's when I thought, why not prepare some healthy and delicious Christmas desserts which can be easily prepared at home. So, today we are preparing these three recipes, two of which are healthy, the third one not so healthy but quick and easy to prepare. So, let's dive right into the recipes. So, the first recipe we are preparing is Christmas fruity parfait. And for this, we require granola, strawberries, Christmas cake, yogurt, honey, vanilla essence. So, the very first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix the yogurt with honey and vanilla essence and make it smooth and creamy. So here we are using the Christmas cake recipe from which I prepared last year. All I have done is added a red food coloring to it. So I'll put the recipe in the description box. Do check it out. Now to prepare the parfait, first we're going to create a base of the yogurt mixture. So we're going to scoop in at least 2 to 3 spoons of this yogurt mixture. Now I am using a small mason jar. You can use a big mason jar, you can use a glass, you can use a transparent cup. Anything that's transparent which shows out the layers that are being prepared in this parfait would be perfect for this recipe. Once we have added the base of the yogurt and created that layer, then we're gonna add the cake. I've crumbled the cake and I'm using it, and I'm gonna push it with my fingers down so that it is nice and firm and you can see the layer well. Post the cake, I'm gonna add the strawberries, and finally I'm gonna top it up with some granola. A fruity parfait is ready to be had. The second recipe we are preparing are Christmas snowballs. Now the ingredients for this recipe are, we're gonna take roughly 1.5 cup of almond flour, then 1 cup of oats powder, 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of desiccated coconut, and roughly 2 tablespoons of honey. Now do keep a little bit of desiccated coconut aside for us to coat it at the end. To start off with, we're gonna add the almond flour, followed by the oats powder, now we're gonna add the desiccated coconut, followed by vanilla essence and peanut butter and honey. Now I've not mentioned vanilla essence in the ingredients, but that is absolutely optional. You can flavor it the way you want. I have used vanilla essence here. So now I'm just gonna bring the mixture together and then use my hands to turn them into balls. So once you see that the mixture is coming together, now if you want it a little gooey, now these are a little dry, you can definitely add some raisins, you can definitely add dates to it, or you can choose to add more peanut butter to it. It's absolutely your call, but I have made them a little dry. Now I'm just gonna try and get the mixture together and round them into these small balls. You can see right here. And that's about it. Same way I've prepared the rest of the balls. And and finally I've coated them with desiccated coconut. So this is a very simple and easy recipe. You can easily store them up to 2 to 3 weeks in the fridge, and these are very good snacks, at the same time become very good desserts. So here we have our Christmas snowballs. Now this is our final and not so healthy recipe, apple pie pockets. And these are made with just 4 ingredients. We need apple, roughly 2 chopped finely. To this I'm gonna add sugar. I'm gonna add cinnamon powder, and I'm gonna give this a nice stir. Now all the recipes in detail are in the description box. It's on our website, you can check it out. Now all I'm gonna do is mix this mixture together and keep it aside. Now my oven was not working, so I tried making it through means of oven pan, and I had done the same last year as well, so I'm gonna try it here. So here I have my oven. I've added some salt. You can add sand below and keep a stand, and I'm gonna cover it and let it get a little hot till we prepare our pastry. So here we have, I've taken a store-bought short crust pastry. You can take a filo pastry, or you can take samosa patties, the samosa strips, and you can easily use this. Now with the help of a circular mold, I'm just gonna make circular cuts here in this format. Make sure that the mold has a little sharp edge so that it's easier to cut and you don't need to use a knife. I struggled with the knife here, but I hope you don't have to do it. So try to keep that in mind. And yep, I'm gonna cut at least 6 of them. In my pastry I could cut 6, and that's about it. Once they are done, I'm gonna fill them up with the apple mixture. Now I'm gonna fill all the 6 pastry sheets with the apple mixture, and I'm, instead of egg wash, because I want to make a vegetarian version of this, I'm gonna use milk as an egg wash. So I am just gonna dip my brush in it, and I'm gonna just dab it at half of the edge wherein I'm gonna fold the pastry over, and I am going to press it firmly at the edge, making sure that there is no leaks. And then with the help of a fork, I'm just gonna give it some nice design. I'm also gonna make small incisions at the top so that there is some way for the heat to escape while it's cooking. And I'm just gonna grease the plate that I'm using here. So you can see I'm just giving some nice design. Of course it's up to you how you want to make the design. I'm just making it very plain and simple because I just wanted to see how it turns out, as I've done this in the oven, I've not done it on the pan. So yep, that's it. Once these shapes are done, then I'm gonna place them over on the plate. Again, give them a milk wash, and then put them for baking on the gas in a pan, which is weird, but it's nice because this is the first time, and people who don't have oven can definitely have another way of preparing these. And we need to keep them for roughly 25 minutes. Make sure you seal the pan well. And here you have our apple pie pockets ready. They turned out to be super delicious and super yum. So I hope you like the recipes. Here are our 3 recipes which we prepared today, and do give it a try, and you can have it any time of the year, not necessarily just during this time. But I thought this was a perfect way to just spread across a healthy dessert recipe idea right here. So that's it, guys. Wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy.